In New Paltz. Johnny here, driving in, aka the Sabotage. Jeffrey, Jeff Beezy,
Sleeping
New Paltz, UPZ. Damn, let's go back, man. I ain't camping in the rain, bro. Screw this, right, Johnny?
Nah, I got my car.
Yeah, you're good.
That's it. Tank top tonight.
Yeah, man.
Tough it out.
Actually, does this record voice?
Yeah.
Where's the speaker? Where?
My hands on my car.
Where?
I don't know.
Where the hell could it be a
It doesn't.
speaker? I don't think it does.
If it does, maybe it doesn't.
Look, it's a waterproof casing.
Sabotage.
Maybe it doesn't.
Sabotage.
Sabotage.
Good, because if actually, I don't know, it could be.
Johnny was like, tank top, long sleeve. This is real Sophie's choice.
What's I use that from now on?
I'm gonna use that too. Where'd you get that, Johnny?
I forgot, it was like a TV show or a movie. It was like a bunch of women talking. I think Sophie's Choice is a woman's movie. Like,
Of course.
Murphy. Oh, nice. G&G's. So I get my crunk on. This is how we do. Oh, yeah. Clean it up. And we're at the end of the town.
Is it?
That's it.
Sweet.
It's like a nice little tank.
Cards. Now we're in New Paltz. This is John.
Yo, Bacchus. On a good, but my raincoat would have been like soaking, like it doesn't repel water.
So it's not a raincoat.
I had a rain thing that I forgot.
Sabotage.
I don't think this records.
Oh yeah, that's true. Doing it in meetings.
Do what?
Like, setting up.
Oh, man.
Yeah, and you have a tank top, Johnny. You're all set.
It's real Sophie's Choice.
You really worked on that, Johnny. Good.
What are you talking about? That's my regular laugh.
Do the real Yoda one. Catch it on video.